Hi and welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today's project is this cute little bunny rabbit applique. You can also use it as a decoration or put a key ring on it and turn it into a little charm for your key chain. For this tutorial, you'll definitely need 2 colors of wool. Scrap yarn works perfectly for this. Because it's little bits, you'll need a piece for the head and the ears, the tail, the leg part, and the body part here. So scrap pieces of yarn that you have lying around is ideal. You'll also need an eye. You can use a button or you can sew one on, or you can get one of these googly eyes or even a safety eye. Your crochet hook and your yarn is up to you, whatever you want to use. So let's do this. I'd like to take the time to invite you to subscribe to this channel. It's updated regularly with free videos and tutorials, just like the one we're doing today, a free pattern. So hit that subscribe button. If you are not new to this channel and you're seeing it again, hit that like and subscribe. So for this project, we're going to start with a magic circle or magic ring. This tutorial and every stitch that I'm using can be found in my playlist under Best Beginner's Guide to and Basics. So just look in my playlist, you'll find it there if you are not sure of any of the stitches I'm using today. So make your magic ring. Oops. In your magic ring, you're going to want to chain 3. Now you're going to make 9 double crochets into the same ring. I'm making my 9th double crochet. Into your 9th double crochet, you're going to just slightly turn your work like this and make 2 single crochets. Okay, let me show you that again, just from the side. So you're going to make your single crochets on top of your 9th double crochet. Pull your magic ring a little bit. Do not close it. Now go ahead and make 3 more double crochets into this ring. Now pull to close. If you have a look, you'll see we've made the nose part of our bunny. Slip stitch into the first double crochet from the beginning. Now we're going to make the ears. Chain 6. One double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 chains. And now you're going to slip stitch in the next chain on the head. So this is the head part, and you'll slip stitch into the next chain or the next stitch to form the first ear. For the second ear, you'll chain 6. One double crochet in the 3rd chain. 1 double crochet in the next 3 chains. And you're going to slip stitch in the next chain on the head. Now you would have seen I left one in between because I don't want my ears to be so squashed. This is your head part. Chain one, cut your yarn. Work this tail away. You will just turn your head so that your ears are to your right hand side. Skip the first stitch and attach your yarn to the second stitch. I just made a slip stitch. Once you have your yarn attached, chain two. You can see I'm holding my tail end flush against my work because I would like to work this tail in at the same time. Into the same stitch, make a double crochet. Oops. Two double crochets in the next stitch. One double crochet in the next stitch. Work my tail in, just cutting the tiny piece off. Chain two, turn your work. One double crochet in the first stitch. One double crochet in the next two stitches. Two double crochets in your last stitch. Chain two and turn your work. One double crochet in the first stitch. One double crochet in each of the next three stitches. Two double crochet in the last stitch. Chain one, cut your yarn. This is where we are at. You need to flip this over, just like that. Go back to your main color. Now go ahead and attach your yarn. So where you finished here, you're going to attach in the exact same stitch. I just made a slip knot, a slip stitch. And I'm just going to pull it through. You'll chain two. Into the same stitch, you're going to make two double crochets. One double crochet in the next two stitches. Half a double crochet in the following stitch. One single crochet in the next stitch. And a slip stitch in the very last stitch. Chain one, cut your yarn. At this stage, I would advise you to work in your tails, or you can do that when you are done. The choice is yours. I worked my tails off camera quickly, so I'm going to flip this back. And I'm going to attach my yarn right here. So it's the last row of your body, and that's where I'm going to attach. So let's attach our yarn. Just pull it through. Immediately you can chain two. Into this double crochet yarn, I hope you can see this. You'll make two double crochets. I'm working in my tail at the same time. Chain one and slip stitch into the exact same spot. Chain one Leave a long enough tail to work in. And the only thing you're going to do is work these 2 tails in. We are going to make the arm. Again, you're going to attach right here. So if you just turn your work sideways, right there. So it's the first double crochet that you're going to attach your yarn into, but the top part. Again, I just made a simple slip stitch. I'm just going to pull it through and move the tail piece to the back so I can work that in. Chain 2, and now we're going to do 2 double crochets together. And again, and I just go through all 3 loops. Chain 1, slip stitch into the exact same stitch. Chain 1, cut your yarn, work in your tails, I'm just using my crochet hook to work them in. It's a smaller hook size. I feel it works better, but you are more than welcome to use a darning needle. The choice is yours. And the only thing you're going to do is stick on your eye. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will get you on the next video. Enjoy crocheting. This is the Queen Phoenix out.